Okay, hi guys.
What is it?
Gene.
Yeah, what does it say? New cosmetics are here.
Yeah, there's a new update.
Bro,
Yeah,
I
fun
heard
new
that there's a new
outfit.
Yeep update. Alright,
Did it come out right yet?
no, there isn't a new Yeep update.
No.
What there was?
Yes, there is. Yes, there is. Come here.
What do you mean?
I didn't.
Follow
I
me.
wait for it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right against the ground.
Yippee.
Okay. Let me just collect my daily reward.
Yeah, I haven't done a video like doing this stuff in a while. Yeah, I can't use like camera. I don't know why. Okay. Third house. Yay. Oh my god, my duck. Sorry. Oh my god. My duck. You can hear him in the background. Sorry. 7 new hairstyles. And fun new outfit. So make sure check them out. Oh. Means medic. New gadgets. And more. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, my duck is loud. So what I heard of, Playground is getting a remap. Vamp. Yes. And then this is gonna be changed into like a whole new island map. Yeah. On August 15th. But if you're a lab rat, you already got it. Yes. So yeah, you would get it. Yeah, wait, there's couches here? No, there. Wait. Okay, there's never couches there. I swear, that's. So there's 7 new outfits and 7 new hairs. Sorry. Let's check out the new hairs. Like, these are all the new hairstyles. Pretty sure. And then there's this actually. Wait, isn't that new? Yes, that is new. I'm pretty sure. New outfit. I do not see the new outfit. Yeah, 5 days. This has gone away. So make sure you can get your hands on it before it goes away. And, yeah. This video is just about saying what in the new update. Yes, I have watched a video about what's coming in the new update. And, August 15th is the update. It's really cool. It's gonna be a really cool update. It's the summer update, kinda. Water physics are gonna be a thing. Yeah, water physics. Really wondering what are those? It's like GTEX physics, water physics. Yeah, I was. And so, I don't know, put the whole thing out, but should be able to put what? Wait, let me check if I can put a photo. Yeah, I can. Oh yeah, I can. So a photo is gonna be like right here of what the new island map is gonna look like. Well, not new island map, the new playground. Wilds 1 is not gonna be it. I actually, oh my god. Yeah, my dog's was behaving. Build map winner. I actually haven't checked out if there is a new one. Yes, there is. Okay. Yeah, I've been wondering for this row for a long time. Yeah, like this, see? Like buttons. Oh, that's sick. Yeah, so, like this, that's cool. Oh, that is sick. Yeah, as I said, I am. Oh my god. Let me just grab that. So can't we go in that, huh? How are you supposed to get in there? Well, from this. Oh, it's a roller coaster. Was this tested? Ah! I get scared of a roller coaster. Oh, they got frog. That's what my question is. How do you get frog? How? No, please no. What? The track? Where's the track at? Where's the track at? Ah! Okay, yeah. Now I can see why the Why is there even a floating now? Shoot. This looks like a storage to me. You don't know what I mean by that? Like storage? Yeah. So another thing, the tropical bushes that people like to call them. They're tropical bushes. Excited for that to come in the new update too. I will be doing an update. I will be doing a video on when the new update comes out on August 15th. It's Friday today. So, oh, there's a copy. Oh, you can actually copy this map. That's sick. Yep, definitely putting this into my private just to get like a lot of blocks. Oh shoot. There's been a chest here. Wait. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna cut this